Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to post status on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Here you can see the status option on the top section of your screen. Click on it. Now tap on My Status option. Now select the photo or video you want to upload on your status. Here you can edit the photo and also add a caption. And if you're done, click the green arrow button on the bottom right corner. And that is how you can post status on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.